Imbag nga malemtayami na po, mahirap paniwalaan. Nandito na naman tayo after 3 years. Napakabilis lumipas ang oras. Umuna-unay, agyaman na itinapalaos sa suporta kanya kapo. Mula po noong unang araw natin bilang kinatawan ng Primero Distrito ng Ilocos Norte hanggang ngayon. As I begin my second term, I'm filled with immense gratitude and an even deeper sense of responsibility. We bank on the milestones already achieved in our bagong Pilipinas. Our President's leadership has brought renewed focus on infrastructure, food security, digitalization, and people-centered governance. These gains inspire us to push further, confident that national progress and local development can move hand in hand. Over the past 3 years, we have worked together to build a better first district of Ilocos Norte. We brought government services closer to the people. We supported education through scholarships, classrooms, improved livelihood for farmers and fisherfolk, opened more opportunities for the youth, provided financial assistance for health, and pushed for key infrastructure projects that connect and uplift our province. In Congress, we filed and supported measures that protect the welfare of our people, promote local development, and strengthen our industries. Hindi ko po kinayang gawin lahat ng ito ng mag-isa. Bunga po ito ng ating pagtutulungan, pagkakaisa at sama-samang pagkikilos ng ating probinsya, mga bayan at lungsod. Lahat ng mga barangay at lalo na ang ating mga kakailian. We begin this new term with even greater energy and with clearer purpose. We are focused on the work that still lies ahead as we push for real progress in every corner of our district. Today, I renew my pledge to be a representative who listens to the needs and aspirations of our kakailian, who serves with integrity, and who upholds the public good above all else. Our young people continue to inspire me with their energy, curiosity, and bold ideas. They deserve access to better education, faster internet, and real opportunities to grow. Not somewhere far away, but right here in our communities. Our farmers and fisherfolk have long carried the weight of feeding our province. They should no longer have to choose between staying on their land and making ends meet. We'll continue working to bring them better tools, reliable irrigation systems, and easier access to markets, so their hard work brings real income. Our barangay and municipal leaders remain some of our most hardworking and committed partners. Together, we've brought real improvements to roads, school buildings, farm-to-market routes, and evacuation centers, especially in areas that were long overlooked. In healthcare, no one should be left behind simply because they live far from a hospital or can't afford treatment. That's why we focused on expanding medical services, securing more ambulances, and supporting programs that make healthcare more accessible and responsive. And in every household, I see the same quiet Ilocano strength, families doing their best day by day. Our job is to make life a little easier by investing in the basics that matter: education, healthcare, infrastructure, and livelihood. So that each Ilocano, whether in the centro or the farthest sitio, feels seen, supported, empowered, and able to contribute towards development. Patpatagan mi, akakailian, I ask once again for your guidance. Help me stay grounded. Remind me of my duties. Push me to do better, because this is our shared journey. Agbiag ti Primero Distrito, agbiag ti Ilocos Norte, mabuhay ang bagong Pilipinas. Diyos unay tiyag ni na po.
Congratulations, Congressman Sandro Marcos.
Di pa po ako tapos. On a more personal note, first of all, I would like to thank our incumbent governor and our vice governor-elect, Gov. Matthew Marcos Manotoc. Thank you for your 6 years of service to our province. Thank you for being my kuya in politics. To our governor-elect and incumbent vice governor, Ate Cecilia Araneta Marcos. Kahit puti ang buhok mo, you look younger than ever and ready for the job. We will be behind you 100%, and I look forward to working with you. And to my seatmate, Congressman Angelo Marcos Barba, thank you for continuing to guide me in the House of Representatives. I learn something new from you every day. Thank you for your guidance. And of course, even if they could not make it here today, I would like to thank my family, the President, the First Lady, and everyone who has supported me since day one. The time for politics is over. The time for public service is here. Let us make sure, I always say, 3 taon na lang ang natitira sa termino ni Apo Pangulong Bongbong Marcos. Wag na natin sayangin ang 3 taon dito sa Ilocos Norte. Siguraduhin natin na ipasulit natin ang termino ni Apo BBM. Let us work together for the betterment of our province. Let us forget political colors. Let us remember our kakailian. Diyos unay tiyag nita, Apo.